Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Do you want to follow up with your leads in minutes, not days? Instant alerts are the secret to closing high ticket offers. I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications so you never miss a hot lead again. Inside your quiz builder, head over to configuration and then email notifications. Just add the email address that you would like the notification to be sent out to. Also, you can add multiple email notifications, you can remove, or just toggle on and off if you plan not to send out later. Once you're done, just save. You are all set. The moment someone completes your quiz, you'll get an instant email notification with their details. This is just a perfect, time sensitive service where a fast follow up makes all the difference between a bounce and a sale. Instant notifications mean instant results. If you need help setting this up, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.